In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Nissan Altima, located under the dash. Under the passenger side dash, on the left-hand side, there is a little door with a clip. You're going to push up on that clip and pull out and remove that door, which will expose the cabin air filter. Using a finger, pull the air filter down and then pull it out and keep fishing the air filter out until you have the bottom. As I pull this air filter out, it's kind of just disintegrating and coming apart. It's usually supposed to stay together. So we're just going to keep removing all of the pieces. Until the air filter is out. And this is a big reason that you'd like to change your cabin air filter, because this is all of the stuff that your car is putting through your ventilation system. With your new cabin filter, insert the top and then kind of squeeze the bottom in, or enter the bottom. And you're going to have to kind of squeeze the top in there. And once you have it slid in, slide the filter all the way in. Make sure the top seats as well. And this pull tab is the way you'll get it out next time. Grab your little cover, slide it up and in. Just like that.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.